behavior of different components for DC circuit. Y axis per current, X axis per time. Pure resistor, for ideal resistor, the current instantly set to its peak value. This is for pure resistor. As soon as the circuit is closed, the current set up to its maximum value, not maximum or minimum, set to its value. This current is given by V upon R. For capacitor, the initial current is very large. And the current decreases to almost zero. Not exactly zero, to almost zero. If it is a pure capacitor, the current will reduce to zero. This is the behavior for pure capacitor. And for pure inductor, the current rises slowly and then become constant. This is for pure inductor. This is for resistor and this is for capacitor. But their behavior in AC circuit is different. Their behavior in AC circuit is different. We will discuss these behavior one by one. First, the simplest one, behavior of pure resistor in AC circuit. Behavior of pure resistor in AC circuit. This is a pure resistor R connected to source of alternating EMF. And whenever you draw a source of alternating EMF, you have to mention E equals E naught sin omega t. Whenever you draw a source of AC circuit, you have to write E equals E naught sin omega t. So what is the instantaneous EMF? Instantaneous EMF E equals E naught sin omega t. Instantaneous current will be equals to E by R. E is the instantaneous EMF. चार वैल्यू है यहाँ EMF और करंट की. Instantaneous voltage, peak voltage, then EM, mean value of alternating voltage, E RMS, root mean square value. There are 4 values of same voltage. So instantaneous, this E represent voltage or EMF at time t. At time t. So at time t, the instantaneous current will be E by R. So what is E naught by R sin omega t? Then E naught by R is the what? Peak value of alternating current. Hence, E naught by R may be written as I naught. This is the peak value. Substitute this I naught here. So what you get? I equals I naught sin omega t. What is the instantaneous voltage? Instantaneous voltage equals E equals E naught sin omega t. What is instantaneous current? I equals I naught sin omega t. Both the equations are very similar. Instantaneous EMF is time dependent in the form of sign variation. Instantaneous current is time dependent in the form of sign variation.